We're in Many Glacier, somewhere north, way north.
Yes, way north, like almost to Canada.
On the Canada border.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to fit in a waterfall before we go.
Wildlife viewing.
Wish us luck because there's supposed to be more bears and more animals up here. So it's pretty cool. I think we should check the elevation on this one. It might be a shorter hike, but it's a
Straight up steep hill.
Up a hill, and our calves are burning from that long
6 miles.
6 miler we did yesterday. But we're gonna do it. It's nice and windy out too, that's for sure. We had to drive past St. Mary entrance another hour and a half or so, and it is all gravel once you get into the entrance at Many Glacier until you hit the paved road about 2 miles in. So we're just at the very beginning of the entrance on this waterfall hike. Everybody we passed on the trail so far keeps telling us how steep it is.
How beautiful it is. How worth it is.
But it's well worth the hike up. But this is a pretty steep one for us. But
That's where I should have done more on.
We're going slow like turtles.
Both ways? Yeah.
Taking breaks often. Catching our breath. The wind is just whipping, but it's so beautiful in there. So nice and green, and trees are so brown. Yeah, it's all downhill on the way back. So that's gonna be awesome. That's a bonus. The trail just keeps going up, uphill. Look at all these trees though. It's amazing. Amy's about to sprint up this hill.
Amy's about to pass out going up this
Ready?
hill.
3, 2, 1, go! Uphill. Uphill. Many steps uphill. You there yet? There yet?
Nope.
Ooh, hey deer. Amy, there's a deer right here. Right here in front of me. Hey buddy. That's right there chilling. Huh? That's what I'm saying? That's okay. I think I heard you. Hey bud. You don't even care. Look at the mountains over there. Here's our mountain friend. Yep, alright.
Alright.
Time to keep going. I ain't gonna lie, he scared the shit out of me. I was doing oh shit. Woo. At least it wasn't a bear. We're slow going, but we're going. Woo. Break time.
Definitely not my 20s.
Huh?
Definitely not my 20s anymore.
A little bit of a break. The trail went flat. Whew. Here we go. All right?
Yeah.
All right. There it is. No, it's ice. There. Look at that. Woo. Oh my. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Wow. Huh? What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
Nice little reward. Take your phone. I hate that we're back at the van. You know, I love the van. That hike was just was unreal. It's a great hike. Many Glacier. It's really cool trails. But maybe he's waiting on me. Now's a great time to go ahead and smash that like button. Let us know if you liked our content. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't joined our community yet. We aren't even close to being done with our adventures in Glacier National Park. In our next video, follow us as we hike alongside the raging river as we trek 6 miles into Grizzly Country to see 3 of the most gorgeous waterfalls ever. Ride with us north along the Sun Road to walk among some of the tallest trees in the Trail of Cedars. We'll see you all in our next video, and make sure you check out our journals on our website, link in the description below. As always, all music and sound effects in this video are from Epidemic Sound, amazing tool and platform for creators, and yep, link is in the description below. Have a great day, may God bless, and get out and go see the world, go travel. Tates are out.